Hello everyone! In today's guide, we'll explore a popular Instagram request, how to add a big follow button to your profile. A bigger button can enhance the user experience, making it straightforward for viewers to follow your amazing content. First things first, let's open up the Instagram application on our devices. A key detail to remember is that this feature works best with personal private accounts. If you're currently using a professional account, don't worry, I'll guide you through the switch. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the bottom right icon. If your account is professional, you'll notice certain features available. To switch to a personal account, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner, leading you to Settings. In Settings, go to Account and select the option to switch to a personal account. A personal account gives you more privacy and control over who sees your post. Back on the main settings page, you'll find an option titled Account Privacy. This is where the magic happens. By switching your account to private, you're enhancing the follow button on your profile. When a user stumbles upon your Instagram page, they'll be greeted with a prominent request button. This stands out, making it easier for potential followers to engage with your profile. And that's it for our tutorial for today. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.